Hello everyone, welcome to Maths Brains. So in this video, we are going to see about the next concept for CTET exam under Child Development Pedagogy subject. So previously we've seen nearly 11 videos for the theories. We've completed two chapters. We've completed the chapter that is for Jean Piaget, Vygotsky and Kohlberg theories of child development, and also we've covered about the theories of multiple intelligence and the concepts of intelligence. Okay, so now when you see these chapters hold a lot of importance and you have majority of the questions coming from these. That is why I completed those two in the beginning. So from now on, from this video, you will be seeing the concepts from the beginning onwards as per the order of the topics which are given in the syllabus. Will be continuing for paper 1 and 2. So every concept, if you are going to see only for primary, it is going to be for paper 1. The others are going to be for paper 2. So majority it will be for paper 2. So paper 1 is also going to be alike, but it's just that whatever is related to small children till 5 years alone, you will have to answer. Why my focus is majorly on paper 2 is because the percentage of the people who are writing the paper 2 is going to be higher than those who are writing paper 1, because now people who are doing the B.Ed are more than those who are doing the diploma in teacher education. That is why my focus is on this. So now, what is the chapter all about? Concept of development and its relationship with learning. Okay, so we have to learn the concept of development and its relationship with learning. So we'll be seeing nearly 5 to 6 parts as of what I have decided. So this completely will come to nearly 5 to 6 or 7 videos at the maximum to complete this one particular chapter. So now, before we get into the concept of development, we need to learn about why we are doing all this. So when we talk about pedagogy, when we talk about development, when we talk about child development, we need to know what is child psychology. So that is what we are going to see here. Okay, so the total concept which we'll be seeing is child psychology, concept of development, emotional development, individual difference, the factors affecting the growth and development, heredity and environment. So all these are going to be there. So we'll be seeing things in detail. So minimum 5 to 7 videos will be there. So depending on the need and the requirement, the number of videos might increase also. Now, what is this child psychology all about? So child psychology is all about the study of conscious and subconscious developmental stages. Okay, it is the study of the conscious and the subconscious. Conscious and subconscious developmental stages related to the psychological process of the children. Okay, so this is all about the child psychology. This is what is called psychology, child psychology. Okay, so this child psychology, that is the person who is called the father of child psychology, is none other than G. Stanley Hall, whom we are able to see here. Okay, so this is that person, and he is also called the father of scientific research in adolescence. Okay, so he is also called the father of scientific research in adolescence. Okay, so if you see this name, you need to remember both of these. Okay, along with child psychology, he also has contributed to adolescents also, children who are in their adolescent stages. Okay, so scientific research in adolescence. Now, what is this child psychology all about? So child psychology is to understand the views of the child. So what are the child's views? Okay, so what are the views of the child, and to how the child's brain is going to function, and how you can meet the diverse needs of the children, and how to be aware of the differences. So as we meet the needs, we should also be able to cater to the differences which are seen in the children, and to be familiar with the stages of development, so which is going to be related to the first chapter again, and then to observe how they are going to interact with themselves, with their peers, with their parents, and with the outside world. Okay, so all these are what we need to know when we have to learn about child psychology, and that is what we are going to see here. Okay, so now when we talk about child psychology, so we need to learn that as the child develops, the child will have a maturity. The child will have a maturity. So this person, Arnold Gesell, is there, right? So he was one of the first psychologists to describe children's physical, social, and emotional behavior. So he spoke about the physical, emotional, and social behavior, and he did this all through the quantitative study of human development. Okay, so he was the first one who spoke about the maturation in children. Okay, so that is this person called Arnold Gesell. So you need to remember his name also when it comes to maturational points. Okay, so he says that according to him, he says that all children go through the same stages of development based on maturation of their brain and body. Okay, same stages of development, and this includes from their ability to grasp objects and to how they are able to think and collect objects. Okay, so all these are there with respect to children. So this is all about the concept of maturation in child psychology given by Arnold Gesell, the psychologist Arnold Gesell. So now what educational implication does all this have? Okay, so he said that this maturational viewpoint, the maturity which is given by Arnold Gesell, he said that this is going to be useful in knowing the school readiness among the children, okay, in early childhood. So when you have children in their early childhood stages, we need to know if the child is going to be ready for school. So this school readiness can be found out by finding out the maturational viewpoint. So this is going to be a phenomenal thing which have to be observed. Okay, because though we see that the development, the stages of development is going to be the same, but the rate of development is going to be changed. Okay, the stage may be the same, okay, but the rate of development is going to vary from one child to another depending on their genetic makeup. So this is what you need to remember when it comes to child psychology. So we will be dealing with all these concepts under development, growth and development concepts and all. So we'll continue with this concept in the next video. So hope you have understood this. Please go through the theories carefully. If any of you have missed the theories, please go through them. It will be very useful for you. And I'm also posting videos for science. So please go through those videos also, which will be beneficial for you. Hope you are able to understand these concepts. If you have any doubts, please do it in the comment section. I'll be able to reply you there. Thank you everyone.